Here comes the bride, all dressed in gold. La 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 la.
He ate the marriage bacon.
Oh no, Mary! It's okay, Larry. I already got a piece of bacon when you proposed to me.
Oh, they kissed.
Larry!
They did kiss.
You may kiss the bride. Oh, they did kiss. But they already did, so okay. It's nice.
Are you happy with your marriage, Larry?
Are you happy with your marriage, Zoe? Oh, you betcha I am. You betcha I am. I don't really
Shampy will be happy to have this on his YouTube.
What is Zoe doing with Shampy? Larry, are you okay? Zoe! Come here!
Zoe, you're married to Larry. You can't hang out with Shampy.
Tell him who's boss, Larry. Come on, yeah.
Go mug Shampy.
Come on, hump Shampy. Hump Shampy. Tell him who's
He already did hump Shampy.
Is Zoe trying to sniff him like he's here?
That's not a...
Zoe, that's kind of...
Zoe! Zoe!
Zoe, come here.
Larry's your husband.
Look. Go, Larry, go. Come on, Larry. Larry, look. What the heck is the moving brick? Come on, guys, you're not married. Come on. Look it. Hang out with each other. It's moving. Oh, what a puppy dog. What a puppy dog.
What's your comment on the wedding?
I have a comment.
Okay.
I think that they're about to kiss.
They just kissed?
Yeah, they did. Well, they touched noses, but it's okay.
Oh, look, they're together. It's Larry's best man.
Larry. Hey, dudes. What's up? I'm the fire now. Hey, dudes. You're the priest.
Yeah, I'm a priest. Okay.
I already said one.
Bye, flower girl.
2, 3.
Now everybody's happy and the wedding's over.
Oh, Zoe, are you happy to be with Larry? And next time you see him, you can kiss him.